Coming on, the Aswaddin Owaisi has right now gone ahead and questioned the Andhra Pradesh government over the latest move which has come in on the action that the government has taken against TTD employees, saying this is sending a very, very wrong message. So this is what we see right now, viewers, on Republic TV. And this is coming in, as we told you, that TTD has initiated some action against 18 non-Hindu staff, barring them from the Tirumala temple activities. So that is what happened. And now Aswaddin Owaisi has reacted and said that this is sending a very, very wrong message. So back-to-back updates coming in right now on Republic TV. And let's also tell our viewers the background to the story. The Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam board has decided to remove its non-Hindu employees. The governing body of the temple is removing the employees for practicing non-Hindu traditions. This comes as earlier the TTD board stated that only Hindu employees can work in the temple board. Take a report, listen into this report where we get you the top updates.
The Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam board has decided to remove 18 of its non-Hindu employees. The decision is in compliance with board's rules requiring staffers to only practice Hindu traditions. The action follows suit after TTD chairman B.R. Naidu had previously stated that only Hindu employees could work there. BJP leader N.V. Subhash has welcomed the decision while praising the TTD chairman B.R. Naidu.
Welcome this move by the TTD chairman, Mr. B.R. Naidu. The day he took over as the chairman, he has very clearly said that non-Hindus should leave, the sacred place of Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, because in earlier regime, many non-Hindu believers have been appointed in pivotal posts. So there were so much of disturbances which the rituals of Hindus been not followed. Though the previous government hasn't taken any stand on it, the present government and the present chairman has taken this initiative.
The 18 employees have now been given two options, either to accept a transfer to other government departments or apply for voluntary retirement scheme. Failure to comply will result in further action.
TTD में अभी ज़्यादा लोग ऑन पेपर हिंदू से लेकिन प्रैक्टिसिंग क्रिश्चियनिटी ऐसा नहीं चलता है हमारा टीटीडी में. फर्स्ट बोर्ड मीटिंग में हम एक रेजोल्यूशन ले लिया और टीटीडी चेयरमैन सभी मेंबर्स में पुअर प्रैक्टिसिंग नॉन हिंदू इन टीटीडी इंस्टीट्यूशन द मस्ट क्विट फ्रॉम टीटीडी, ऐसा एक रेजोल्यूशन हम ले थे टीटीडी बोर्ड मीटिंग में. अभी यस्टरडे वी आइडेंटिफाइड 18 मेंबर्स, उसमें दो नाम Vijay Bhaskar Reddy और Renu Dikshit, or they are practicing Hindu religion.
Meanwhile, TDP leader and Andhra Pradesh Minister Nara Lokesh said that he will stick to his statement that when Hindus are not employed in mosques, then why should non-Hindus be in Tirupati?
I want to be very clear that there are religious sentiments involved. It's, to be honest, if you look at a Hindu is not allowed to work in a mosque. It's as simple as that. And vice versa also applies. So it's nothing new. And as a government, we've been very clear on the subject. And we'll take it forward to a logical conclusion.
Meanwhile, AIMIM President Aswaddin Owaisi has attacked TDP over the decision of the temple board.
जो TTD ने कार्रवाई की है और उनके जो चेयरमैन है उनको अपॉइंट किया है चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने, जो मुख्यमंत्री हैं आंध्र प्रदेश के. हमारा डायरेक्ट सवाल चंद्रबाबू नायडू से ये है कि आप 18 एम्प्लॉइज को हटा रहे हैं जो नॉन हिंदू हैं. जब आप टीटीडी के एम्प्लॉइज को इसलिए हटा रहे हैं कि वो नॉन हिंदू हैं, तो किस बुनियाद पर तेलुगु देशम चंद्रबाबू नायडू बीजेपी के लाहेबेज वक्फ बिल की तायीद कर रही है, सपोर्ट कर रही है?
Now remember, TTD is an independent government trust that manages the Tirumala Venkateswara temple in Tirupati, which is the world's richest shrine.